Although small, this house located in the port area of Progreso, Mexico, is composed of two flexible housing units. Conceived as an alternative lodging model, Puerto House does not impose itself, but offers an immersive experience that combines the proximity of the beach with the urban vitality of the boardwalk, just a few steps from the entrance. Its construction rests on the remnants of the pre-existing building. The adjacent walls and an old door were incorporated, making use of their structural and symbolic value. On this base, a clear and functional volume was built. One unit on the ground floor, another on the upper level, a vertical circulation module with integrated services, and a roof terrace. On this narrow lot, only 5 by 17 meters, every centimeter was designed to integrate beach and city in balance. From the entrance courtyard, access leads to the ground floor unit, the staircase to the upper level, and a maintenance space. The ground floor opens to a private garden conceived as a micro-coastal landscape, a small beach with a pool, strip of sand, and native vegetation smoothly connected to two internal courtyards through subtle level changes. The two units were conceived as independent modules, capable of functioning autonomously or integrated into a single environment, adapting to different uses. This strategy responds to the need to optimize space on a narrow plot, resulting in a compact, versatile volume that extends vertically with elegance, with a built area of 95 square meters. The upper unit is accessed by a linear staircase that leads up to the rooftop, conceived as a roof terrace. The space faces the coastal front, highlighted by a wide window and a balcony that enhance the direct connection with the landscape. The materials reveal a poetic dialogue between the port past and contemporaneity. The original stone walls are preserved, the white concrete floor features embedded seashells that evoke the sea, the pigmented plaster in maritime tones, the local cedar wood, and the oxidized steel recall the colors and textures of this industrial port setting. This outdoor area, equipped with a pool and barbecue, offers a privileged panoramic view of the sea, the boardwalk, the pier, and the lighthouse. Circulation throughout the house is organic, guided by views and interactions with the courtyards and the sea. The integration between interior and exterior is constant, as if the boundaries between inside and outside dissolved into the salty air and the horizon. In the end, what defines Puerto House is not its size, but its ability to provide an intense experience in just 50 square meters per unit. It is a retreat that reinvents intimate lodging, blending city and beach with sensitivity and awareness, a space that breathes Progreso in every detail.